Okay, y'all, so we getting ready to run to the store. I need to go to get some heavy whipping cream and some cheese, because tonight we're going to make some broccoli soup, cheddar broccoli soup. But James want to add chicken, so he just took out some chicken. We have some broccoli here that I really need to use up because it's getting ready to turn bad. And yeah, we're gonna do that tonight. He wants to learn how to cook, y'all. Isn't this so cool? I think it's awesome. So we're gonna cook that tonight. But first, we gotta go to the store. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you're older but a goodie, thank you for coming back. We're gonna be doing cooking with James, apparently. All right, so yeah, today is a baseball hat kind of day because this hair is looking a little too rough. It is really hot outside. It's like 72 degrees, but the sun is sunny, and my allergies are doing what they always do, so overlook that. All right, so I just wanted to open up the vlog to let y'all know what was going on. We're getting ready to go to the store to go pick up those few items, and then we're gonna come back and cook, you guys. If you guys want to see any other kind of recipes, let me know what y'all want to see. All right, but tonight we want some soup because the temperature is supposed to drop tonight. So yeah, it's the soup season. Yes, yes. Okay, y'all, so we made it back home and we're getting ready to cook the chicken and make this soup, y'all. I'm so excited for it. Can't wait. So he's getting ready to wash the chicken right now, and then I'm gonna be getting the broccoli and the onions ready. Let's go. Why are you fussing about greasing up the pan, sweetie?
Because I just did already.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for putting the black pepper on your chicken. You want it to be seasoned very well. Yes, I am very happy. Put it in the middle.
You want some of this too? Some
No,
more?
you got enough salt on it. That's good. You do both sides.
It's wet, so we'll put it on that side. They're gonna.
Cause it's wet. What?
Cause it's wet. Then this side.
It'll still go in there.
No.
Well, you can
Okay,
sit.
you said do it. I'm doing it.
Okay.
Because you starting to get on my nerve. I'm getting a headache already.
You getting a headache from seasoning the chicken?
No, I'm getting a headache from you.
You got way too much salt in there.
See? I ain't did all that. Got to put it all on before I spread it out.
Okay.
I don't need your help. You want to come and complain about everything.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
You got the eye on still too.
Well, because I was going to do it my way, but
do it your way. Do it your way.
Too
Go
late
ahead.
now.
Don't burn my skillet up, please. No grumpy tail. Don't make no sense. Baby, get it all over the whole meat. You just put it in the middle.
That's why I don't want to do it. Because
Okay.
you getting on my nerve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like no pocket, nobody ain't going to use. They ain't going to take no freaking pepper on here.
You can't taste the pepper.
Sour.
translucent. Add some flour to it. And we're gonna add 1 cup of chicken broth. Broccoli, I'm going to add some more chicken broth. Let this cook down. I should have cut this broccoli up a little bit more. I'm going to cut it up right now. Okay, so now I just added the chicken in, and I'm going to add some of this heavy whipping cream. And we're gonna season it and add some garlic and then put some cheese in it. Okay, y'all, when I tell you this soup is so good, baby, Panera who? It's flavorful. Only thing is, I should have cut up the broccoli a little bit more, but it's fine with me. James, how you like the soup? Cheesy? Yeah, the broccoli, I didn't cut it up too good. I was trying to boil it with it. Look at that. Cheesy. Well, he did good for his first time cooking, even though he deserted me half the time. You had a phone call and then you started watching TV. I'm like, are you gonna cook or am I cooking? So I just took over and finished cooking. But yeah, overall it was very good. Perfect for a fall day. It's so easy. And the chicken gives it the extra, you know, it was seasoned very well, very well. I did add a little bit more seasoning to the overall soup though. And I did a bag and a half of cheese. I don't know if I said that, but I did like a bag, actually a bag and 3/4 of cheese for the 2 cups. All right, y'all, and that's it. That's our night of cooking with the grumpy husband. Our cheddar broccoli with chicken soup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below to let me know if you would make this at home yourself. And then I'll see you guys on the next video. If you guys want this to be like a continual series, so let me know, okay? Let me know. All right, talk to you guys later.